Hello, it's Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And today I want to teach you strumming for beginners guitar. And that's coming up. Welcome to the channel. I'm glad you stopped by. Real quick before we get into this lesson, if you like the lesson, can you click that like button? Give it a thumbs up. This lets YouTube know that you like the video and they promote the video. Thanks. So grab your guitar and let's learn this beginner's strumming pattern. Starting out, what we're going to do is strumming is 50% of everything on guitar, right? So you've got your fretting hand and you got your strumming hand, and we're just going to concentrate on strumming first with down strums. So just lightly put your fingers across the strings, and we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A couple of things you want to remember when you're strumming is keep your hand moving steady. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just doing down strums. So you keep it going at all times, and you don't want to be like up here. Wherever you start, like right here, I'm starting about an inch from the top string, and I end an inch below the first string. Keep this even. I'm barely going from the top to the bottom. Keep it even. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you're not counting out loud, which in the beginning you should be, because most songs on the radio are 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to practice counting. And when you're not counting out loud, count in your mind. All right. So did you grab your guitar so that you could do this with me? Now that you've got that down, that's just all down strums. Now we're going to practice down, 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 up, down, up. Down, down, just like we were doing before, all down strums. Instead of doing it 4 times, now you're doing it twice. Down, 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 and when you come up, hit the strings. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. I hope you're holding your pick right. It's not flying out of your hand. So I've got it. Don't hold it like this. I know some of you out there doing that. Don't hold it like that. The proper way is between your thumb and your finger, and you're holding it towards the strings. Down, 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 up, down, up. So instead of counting, I want you to say down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. And you want to try and keep an even rhythm. Alright, so we've got that. Let's work on this hand a little bit. We're going to play an E minor because it's 2 fingers. If you want to learn all about the E minor chord, check out the link in the description for that. But we're putting a finger, second finger, on the A string, which is the 5th string, and your 3rd finger is going to be right below it on the D string. And you strum all 6 strings. So we're going to go down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. You try it. Down, 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 up, down, up. Notice how I'm not way up here and way down here. I'm just right in the middle here. Okay, so then we're going to play an A minor, which is 1st finger on the B string at the 1st fret, 2nd finger on the D string, 2nd fret, and 3rd finger on the G string at the 2nd fret. When you're playing the A minor, you're just strumming from the 5th string up. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Then we're going to go E minor. So we're going from the A minor, doing it 2 times through. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. E minor, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Back to A minor. And if you find that this is too hard right here, and then go on to that chord, then just mute the strings and practice. And if you want to learn about transitioning between the chords and learn more chords, check out YourGuitarGuide.com. Don't forget to watch that video next. Thanks.